The old saying, if you don't use it, you will lose it, has a lot of merit when it comes to keeping your body fit and flexible, especially as you age. You might be experiencing stiffness in your joints or aches and pains here and there. It seems like after the age of 50, we start noticing a little more of these aches and pains, making it less motivating or more difficult to engage in regular exercise. But mitigating the wear and tear during your golden years does not have to be fearful. In fact, every day is an opportunity to boost your health and vitality. How? By following some very simple rules. Let's check in with ourselves and ask a few questions. If you're experiencing joint pain, consider experimenting by eliminating some commercial gluten products or any inflammatory processed foods for a minimum of 6 weeks. You might be surprised on how much supple and more energy you're going to have. Experiencing brain fog? Balance out your meals by keeping your blood sugar stable with low-carb, high-fiber foods. Having difficulty losing weight? Try intermittent fasting or restricted time eating. Losing more muscle than fat as you age? Try a keto adaptive lifestyle. Feeling sleepy after you eat a meal? Try including healthy proteins and fats with each meal while keeping the high starchy carbohydrates like grains and packaged foods off of your plate. If you're looking for a roadmap to remain supple, strong, and flexible and sharp at any age, download Liliana's Keto Cookbook. With it, you can make healthy and delightful choices that may relieve inflammation, joint discomfort, and more, all while still enjoying the foods you love. Don't waste one more minute. Seize the opportunity by downloading Liliana's Keto Cookbook for free today and elevate your daily well-being. Join me in embracing a healthier lifestyle, one meal at a time.